When talking to your patients about their eating habits, an easy way to explain a heart-healthy eating pattern is to use these 3 key points. First, include a wide variety of fresh and minimally processed foods, including veggies, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Second, recommend the use of healthy fats, such as extra virgin olive oil and avocado, while limiting meals high in unhealthy fats, salt, and added sugar. And third, encourage patients to include a variety of healthy, protein-rich foods, including eggs, fish, and legumes. Eggs are a great addition to most people's diets because they provide a range of heart-healthy nutrients, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3 fats, and essential micronutrients like vitamins B12, D, and E, as well as iron. They're also relatively low in saturated fat, while higher in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that are essential in a heart-healthy diet. Australian Eggs have put together dietitian-approved 7-day meal plans that you can provide to your patients to help them easily form balanced eating patterns. Download the meal plans from australianeggs.org.au/healthcare professionals today.